Clio Beginner Tutorial 2025, how to use Clio Legal Case Management Software. So over here, Clio is a cloud-based legal case management tool designed to help law firms and independent lawyer manage clients, cases, documents, billing, and communication in one place. So Clio has further streamlined its interface, making it easier for beginners to get started. So the first thing you're gonna have to do is, of course, go to the Clio website for you to sign up or log in at Clio's website. So we have an option here to try Clio for free. So if you don't have an account yet, just go ahead and create one real quickly. So once you go ahead and put in your details, you should be able to see this to check your email to activate your account. In order to do that, you're gonna have to go into your Gmail, go to the specific account where you give it to Clio, so that you can just press on the activate your account button. And once you do, this little check your email to activate your account will be cleared. So you're gonna have to put in your password first and a few more details in order to actually access all of the other features in Clio. So once you've verified, just go ahead and refresh on the actual website so that you can enter Clio. So you can choose your plan as well, either the Clio Manage, there's Clio Grow, or other options that you can go ahead and try. You can set up your firm details like the name, address, billing preferences, and time zone, and add team members and assign user roles like the lawyer, admins, or assistant. Then you can just pretty much add your clients and contacts. So you can go ahead and do that in your contacts tab, or you can click a new contact and enter client details like the name, email, phone, or address. You can also add companies, opposing counsel, or third parties, and each contact will link to matters, documents, and communication logs. Then you can just start creating and managing matters. So you can navigate to the matters or new matters option over here, assign the matter to a client, and choose a responsible attorney. Add details like case type, practice area, status, and description, and link task deadlines, documentation, and notes to the matter. Then you can also track time and expenses. So you can use the time entries feature to log billable hours. And other than that, you can also add expenses. You can set times for real-time tracking or log time manually, or entries can be converted into invoices later. And speaking of invoices, you can always go ahead and check that out from the billing tab. Once you are there, you can customize invoice templates, send invoices directly to your clients, or enable Clio payments, or integrate with Stripe QuickBooks for online payments. Then documentation and management and e-signature. You can just upload documents directly to a matter using the Clio Drive to sync with your desktop. And there is also the calendar and task management. So you can do that by using the calendar tab to track court dates, deadlines, and then reminders. You can sync with Google Calendar as well, Outlook or Office 365, and assign to team members and link them to matters. And finally, client communication. So use Clio for Client Portal to send secure messages and clear documents. All email communications can be logged directly into the matter, and calls, notes, and interactions are tracked for easy performance. So you can always go ahead and look for more information over here and explore the actual features of Clio. There should be demos over here that you can go ahead and check, maybe from the customer support or from the research center. But hopefully the information of this video can help you though, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.